Today, I'm going to show you how to create Dragon Heartstring, one of only 3 cores that Ollivander would use in his wands. The things we'll need to create our Dragon Heartstring is a 1 glass bottle with a cork, and I chose one that has a similar style and shape to the bottle that I made Dragon's Blood in because I wanted this to be able to be a companion piece for that. I am using the same chain that I used in Dragon's Blood, and this is a nice oxidized bronze color. I have a mixed bag of moss here, but we are specifically going to be using the dark red moss out of this bag, but I'll be able to use the other mosses that are in there for different projects down the line. We will need some wire cutters for the chain. I have a cooking skewer to assist in getting the moss in the bottle, and we are going to use some black hot glue as well as clear hot glue and the guns, as well as our label printed on sticker paper, and the link for this is in the description down below. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do for our Dragon Heartstring is we're going to fill our bottle with our red moss. And the reason I went with the red moss is because the Dragon Heartstring is believed to be I'm hoping I pronounce this correctly, cordae tendinii. And that's basically the tendons that are linking the papillary muscles to the tricuspid valve in the right ventricle and the mitral valve in the left ventricle. So they're kind of like little wispy tendons, which I think kind of mimic the look of the moss, and I feel like the dark red color makes sense because of it being the heart muscle and there'd be blood pumping through there, not to mention that it'll kind of coordinate with our dragon's blood. And I like that. I like that we can see through it. We can tell that it's got long strands. Yeah, I think that's a good look. I'm going to go ahead and clear up my table and we'll move on. All right, now that that mess is cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and cork this for the moment, and we are going to glue our chain around the neck of the bottle. Just like we did for Dragon's Blood, I'm going to put a little drop of glue here, and then we are just going to put our chain right in that glue to start it, and then we can just wrap our bottle. And again, just put a small drop of glue. And end the chain. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually add a black hot glue detail just on the lip of the bottle. I don't want to actually cover up the whole cork like we did for Dragon's Blood. So here's Dragon's Blood. I want this to look like they go together, but I don't want them to be an exact replica. So I liked that we mimicked the chain detail and that they have a very similar red color to them. I even made the label so that it would be a companion piece to that label. But I don't want them to be exact. So I want to be able to see the cork on this one, but I do want a little bit of the black drips over the chain. And if you wanted to add a charm to this, by all means, you definitely could. I'm not going to, but that's up to you what you want to do. So we're going to go ahead and do our black drips here. Now that our glue detail has dried, I love how it dripped over the chain and we get this nice contrast of the chain with the wax strips. Now we're going to take our label that I printed on sticker paper and we are going to apply it to the bottle. And once we get our label on the bottle, there you have it, our Dragon Heartstring. This is a really easy bottle to make of the powerful wand core that is really great for flamboyant spells. So again, I created this to not only go with our wand core collection, but to also be a nice companion piece to our Dragon's Blood. And let me know in the description down below if you guys would like to see some of the other wand cores that are used besides the ones that Ollivander uses. So I believe there's Kelpie hair, Vela hair, there's all kinds of different things that got used in wand cores, some of them successful, some of them not so much. And then there's even the wand cores for like the Overmorning wand. So let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in, and we can kind of spread that out over the next year, 2 years, whatever, so we can really create a nice vast collection of different wand cores. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. And that's going to be it for this one. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.